In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell physical products on Wix step by step. Whether you're launching a new business or expanding an existing one, setting up an online store on Wix is a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, it's simple to sign up. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From there, select Edit Site to open the website where you plan to sell your products. It's important to ensure that Wix Stores is installed, as this feature is essential for selling physical items. If it's not already installed, you can easily add it from the Wix app market. Next, navigate to Store Pages, and from there, select Product Page. This is where you'll manage all your product entries. To add a new product, click on Manage Products, then proceed to Dashboard, followed by Store Products, and click on Plus New Product. You'll see the option to add a physical product, so go ahead and select it. Now let's set up your inventory and shipping options. Begin by enabling stock tracking. This helps you avoid overselling by keeping track of the quantity available. Once your inventory is sorted, set up your shipping details. Go to Settings and then Shipping and Delivery. Here, you can define shipping regions, rates, and delivery methods. Consider offering free shipping or a flat rate option as an incentive to your customers. After setting up shipping, it's time to configure payment methods. Head to your dashboard, select Settings, and then Accept Payments. Enable payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or credit debit cards to give your customers flexibility in paying. Always test the checkout process to ensure everything functions smoothly and payments can be processed without any hiccups. Once your products are ready, publish them by making them visible on your store page. Customize the Add to Cart button, layout, and styling to match your website's look and feel. Before you go live, preview your page to ensure everything looks great. Handling orders efficiently is key. When a customer places an order, you'll receive a notification in your Wix dashboard. Prepare the product for shipping, update the order status, and provide tracking information when available. Don't forget to constantly monitor your inventory and sales. Check stock levels to prevent overselling and use customer feedback to make improvements. With Wix Analytics, you can see which products are performing best, helping you optimize your store. To wrap up, here are a few extra tips. Use high-quality images and clear descriptions to attract buyers. Offer multiple payment methods for convenience. Set realistic shipping times. Include return and refund policies to build trust, and consider offering discounts or product bundles to boost sales. This approach will not only enhance your store's appeal, but also improve the shopping experience for your customers. Good luck with your online store on Wix.